homeless, you know? I'm still homeless, but I'm out here homeless, you know? Sleeping on the sand, baby. Yeah, I'm just trying to enjoy my life. Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Hey, guess what? I got good news. No, I'm not rich. No, I don't have a lot of money. And no, I don't got a place to lay my head. I'm in debt. I still have good news, though. I still have good news. I'm headed to Hawaii, baby. I'm headed to Hawaii. I bought my ticket a couple months ago, like 90 bucks online. Alaskan Airlines. So I'm headed to Hawaii today. Around like 12 p.m. I'll be leaving. And yes, I just wanted to make this video telling you guys, not that you guys care, but I just, it will make me feel better by telling you guys, because I have no friends. No one's going to listen to me. No random people are going to listen to me if I tell them, they're not going to care. But maybe you guys might care, maybe you guys might be like, hey, have a great time. No, I don't know. I don't have a lot of human interaction, but yes, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm headed to Hawaii, and I'm going to clear my mind over there. I'm going to go enjoy the waters. Just because you're homeless, doesn't mean you can't travel the world. I mean, when you're boundless, right, you can do anything you want as long as you have money. That's why it's important to learn how to make money while you're in your car. Yeah, I should probably be saving this money to pay off my debt, but I'm not. But I could tell you right now, it's not a lot of money I spent for this trip. It's not at all. 90 bucks to get there and 90 bucks to get back, round trip, 180. Come on, it's Hawaii. Also, I got a good deal on where I'm staying, and I'm actually gonna be able to sleep in a bed for a couple nights, So, no blanket, no comfortable car space. I get to lay my head in a bed on a pillow, on a real pillow. This is cardboard. This pillow is made out of cardboard. I'm playing. It's not. But anyway, I'm just kind of excited, because I'm headed to Hawaii. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm about to work out, take a shower, wipe my ass, and then I think that guy heard me say that. We're at the airport. Here at SF. Good thing there's no Chick-fil-A out here.
Yeah, probably not.
That's why nobody describes.
No one heard that joke?
Yeah. What did you say?
I said, good thing there's no Chick-fil-A out here.
Oh.
Was that not funny? I'm talking about. From sleeping in my car, Out here in paradise. Got the mansion right here. Let's go. I haven't slept in a bed in years. Got the views out here, baby. Nice view, man. Nice little flat screen TV. Wow. Holy crap. This is crazy. Let's get it, baby. Just a homeless guy out here in Maui. Living it up, man. From living in my car to sleeping in the sand. Or sleeping on the sand in Maui, baby. Solo, by myself. Oh, goddamn sand. I'm about to get eaten by the sharks, man. Yeah. I'm an island boy. The world is endless, man. When you really have nothing to lose. You really have nothing to lose. When there's nothing to lose, keep going forward. You gotta take risks in life. Enjoy your life, you know? A lot of people get caught up in stress, work, stuff they don't want to do, stuff that hinders their happiness. Sometimes you just gotta take a break from it all. You might not have the money like me, I'm not rich, but yeah, I made this happen. I found a way to get here. I live in my car, man. I live in my damn car, and I'm out here free as a bird. The sand feels smooth as butter. Yeah, it's really nice out here. Out here in Maui, living it up. Yo, what's up, YouTube? As you can see, I'm out here in Maui. Hello, right here. Just living the free life right now, you know. Literally yesterday, literally the day before yesterday, I was sleeping in the car. Homeless, you know. I'm still homeless, but I'm out here homeless, you know. Sleeping on the sand, baby. Yeah, I'm just trying to enjoy my life. You gotta enjoy life sometimes, you know. Enjoy life. You know, you get caught up in work, your stress, your worries, your ambitions, everything, all that. Sometimes you just gotta take a break. So I'm out here for a week. Man, it's windy. I'm about to go swimming. My passion, and yeah, feels good. Take a break from that car life, the water life, the beach just feel more free, you know? I feel more, my mind's more at peace and stuff, yeah. But, I don't know what else to tell you guys, you know? I'll be back in like a week, back to the car life. Get eaten by a shark. If you don't hear from me in a week or at all, that's because I got eaten by a shark. And I'm part of the ocean now. I'm still with you guys with the few subscribers I have, you know, just know I'm still here with you guys. I'm just in the ocean, you know, part of the ocean. I'm gonna get shot out by a damn shark or something, I don't know. Who knows, maybe that shark will be catch that shark and feed it in a restaurant. I mean, serve it in a restaurant to one of you guys, you know? You guys be eating part of me. So either way, I'll live on, you know? I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm just enjoying my life, you know? Trying to stay positive. I know when I get back to Cali, it's gonna be back the same, you know, car life, not the best situation. Grinding over there. Go back on my same grind, you know, just trying to make it, survive the times. Yeah. It's out here, baby. Dolo dolo. Living it up in Maui. I don't have friends, but I have the fish, I have the sharks, you know? I have the water, that's all I need. I'm in the presence of God right now. I feel like I'm in the presence of God. Just have peace and stuff, you know? Anyway, enjoy your work schedules. Enjoy your, I know you guys have to get back to work. Working, but hey, you gotta make money somehow, you know, you gotta make a living, but after me, I want to just make it. We got little sparrows right here, little pidgeots. Wild Pidgeotos. Right here grilling. Got the grill popping. In the land of the goats. Hello. Never let go.